Today, I am thrilled to announce that we are extending our learning tools within Microsoft 365 by adding an important new category called Learning Accelerators. Learning Accelerators help students advance foundational skills like reading, writing, and math, as well as develop future-ready skills like information literacy and communication to better prepare them for success in college, career, and life. Our first example of a learning accelerator is Reading Progress and Coach. Last year at our Reimagine education event, we introduced Reading Progress and Coach. Can you tell us a little bit about the new updates to these tools?
With Reading Coach now embedded in Immersive Reader as part of our Office 365 online apps, students can use their own content, whether at school or home. They can launch Reading Coach directly from Immersive Reader. They read out loud, and Reading Coach will listen. And when they're finished, students get a learner reading report showing accuracy, correct words per minute, and some practice words to improve their fluency. When the student launches the practice words, Reading Coach pops up and allows independent practice of the top words they mispronounced. And for Reading Progress, we also have a community-inspired update to share. The top request we've heard for Reading Progress is to let teachers add comprehension questions for the passage. Here's an example of how that will look.
We know that students need help in both literacy and numeracy. That's why I'm so happy to announce that we will soon be launching a new learning accelerator, Math Progress and Coach. These tools will be available in Microsoft Teams for Education, enabling students to practice solving equations and receive feedback on mathematical concepts.
The experience is similar to Reading Progress and Coach. Educators can create math progress assignments and distribute those to the class. With just a few clicks, students can write or type an equation and get detailed help from the math coach, which shows them the correct mathematical processes. Students can generate similar questions and practice these concepts. And just like with Reading Progress, students can turn in their math assignments. And this includes typed math or photos of written work, and educators can easily review both types of work while also getting insights into how the students are progressing. And to start out, we'll be focused on 4th to 9th grade math skills.
Because information literacy is a critical part of student learning, we're happy to introduce Search Coach, which empowers students to become more informed consumers and producers of digital content.
Search Coach is a simple, powerful, no-cost app in Teams that helps learners form effective queries and identify reliable resources when searching the internet. Think of it as a search engine with training wheels, where students build their search, information, and media literacy skills all in a safe environment. While most search education focuses on analyzing results for reliability, the unique power of Search Coach is demonstrating how to form more effective search queries. To get the correct answer, you first have to ask the correct question, right? Here I am in Search Coach, and you can see these 4 buttons for Teaching UI. If I click on one, I can learn more about things like domains, file types, date range, and operators. We also have a search tip, and this rotates every day to give students different tips about how to search better. Let's start out with something simple. Are dogs better than cats? Hit go. Now, what many students don't know is that the way you type a query can actually bias it. Just by saying, are dogs better than cats, I get all these results that tell me why dogs are better than cats. There's a search tip here that explains why using language such as better than can result in opinions that sound like facts. Let's try, what do astronauts eat in space? I'm going to use the domains button here, and I want to filter on US domains and .gov, so this is just going to give me the results with this site:filter right here. I'll click go. Now all the results are filtered just by .gov. The educator also gets class insights, so seeing things like who opened only the first result, the number of search attempts, all sorts of filter information, and even a word cloud of searches happening in the class. Search Coach also has customizable fact check buttons, class settings, and lots more. Starting today, Search Coach is available to all educators as a Microsoft Teams app. In a couple of months, we'll also be shipping Search Progress, which allows educators to make specific Teams assignments that incorporate Search Coach, quality queries, and sources. Search Progress lets the teacher make thinking visible by showing exactly how students are constructing queries, gathering sources, and why they're choosing these sources. And one bonus announcement, we're looking to bring Search Coach to the Microsoft Edge browser in late 2023.
This is going to be incredible for families around the world. And to support students in developing, refining, and delivering meaningful presentation skills, we're also announcing the availability of Speaker Progress and Coach. We believe that learning accelerators can unlock the full potential of every student, giving them opportunities to learn, practice, and receive instant feedback in an inclusive and trusted environment.
Here I am in Teams assignments, and I'm going to choose Speaker Progress. I have some options: presentation style, speech, or freestyle. I chose presentation. Now, as a teacher, I can choose the report I want to grade on: simplified, full, or custom. And I can choose the AI that I want to detect. So things like pace, filler words, pitch, even body language, inclusiveness, repetitiveness, this is all set now. As the student, we're going to flip forward. Here's the assignment. I open it up, and there's a video of a student. He's going to add his PowerPoint presentation. and he clicks the video button to start recording. Gets a countdown, and now he's presenting. Speaker coach pops up and says, "You're going a little too fast," giving him some coaching. And we'll speed ahead, and now we're going to finish up. What the student gets next is a report just like the teacher set up. Pace, pitch, filler words, body language, some great information. You even get suggestions so we can watch and see exactly where those different things were happening. That's where he said, And just like with reading progress, the educator can review the speaker progress assignment and get automatic insights on progress over time. With speaker progress in teams, we're bringing together assignments with the existing speaker coach capabilities. This helps to develop speaking skills, improve confidence, and minimize anxiety students might face when giving a presentation. Educators can customize the speaker progress assignments to focus on communication skills, including speaking and body language.
Microsoft's mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. The announcements today are part of our company's commitment to be a partner with you in that mission. I believe that Microsoft's Learning Accelerators have so much potential to help all students and teachers, and I hope you will use them in your schools. For more information about Learning Accelerators, go to our website. Thanks again for joining us today. We'll see you soon.